A blessed day, esteemed learners. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the fascinating world of types of soil texture. Take a deep breath, relax, and get ready to enrich your knowledge on this captivating topic. Remember, your well-being is my priority, so take care of yourself and stay safe. May blessings abound for you and your loved ones. Welcome to the Teacher Lumabon YouTube channel. Let's get started.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Types of soil texture. Soil texture refers to the relative proportions of sand, silt, and clay in the soil. The texture influences the soil's properties, including its water retention, drainage, and ability to support plant growth. Below are the main types of soil textures and their characteristics. Ang texture ng lupa ay tumutukoy sa mga relatibong proporsyon ng buhangin, banlik, at luwad sa lupa. Ang texture ay nakakaimpluwensya sa mga katangian ng lupa, kabilang ang pagpapanatili ng tubig, drainage, at kakayahang suportahan ng paglago ng halaman. Nasa ibaba ang mga pangunahing uri ng mga texture ng lupa at ang kanilang mga katangian. First, sandy soils. Composition, approximately 85% sand, with minimal silt and clay. Characteristics, physical feel, loose, gritty texture, the particles are single-grained. Appearance, individual grains are easily visible and can be felt distinctly when held. Behavior, dry state, falls apart when handled, does not stick together. Wet state, can form a cast or mold but crumbles easily. Water retention, poor water holding capacity, drains quickly. Aeration, high permeability, excellent for root penetration but may require frequent watering in agriculture. Una, mabuhangin na lupa. Komposisyon, humigit kumulang 85% na buhangin na may kaunting silt at luwad. Mga katangian, pisikal na pakiramdam, maluwag, magaspang na texture, ang mga particle ay single-grained. Hitsura, ang mga individual na butil ay madaling nakikita at malinaw na mararamdaman kapag hawak. Pag-uugali, dry state, bumagsak kapag hinahawakan, hindi magkadikit. Wet state, maaaring bumuo ng cast o molde ngunit madaling gumuho. Pagpapanatili ng tubig, mahina ang kapasidad sa paghawak ng tubig, mabilis na umaagos. Aeration, mataas na permeability, mahusay para sa root penetration ngunit maaaring mangailangan ng madalas na pagtutubig sa agrikultura. Second, sandy loam soils. Composition, 45 hanggang 85% sand, 0 hanggang 50% silt, and up to 20% clay. Characteristics, physical feel, gritty, with individual grains still visible and tangible. Behavior, dry state, forms molds or clumps but disintegrates easily when touched. Moist state, holds its shape but requires gentle handling to prevent crumbling. Water retention and drainage, slightly better than sandy soils, moderately quick drainage but can retain some moisture for plant use. Pangalawa, sandy loam soils. Komposisyon, 45 hanggang 85% buhangin, 0 hanggang 50% silt, at hanggang 20% na luwad. Mga katangian, pisikal na pakiramdam, mabangis, na may mga individual na butil na nakikita at nasa salat. Pag-uugali, dry state, bumubuo ng mga hulma o kumpol ngunit madaling nadidisintegrate kapag hinawakan. Moist state, hawak ang hugis nito ngunit nangangailangan ng banayad na paghawak upang maiwasan ang pagkawasak. Pagpapanatili ng tubig at pagpapatuyo, bahagyang mas mahusay kaysa sa mabuhanging lupa, katamtamang mabilis na pagpapatuyo ngunit maaaring mapanatili ang ilang kahalumigmigan para sa paggamit ng halaman. Third, loam soils. Composition, 23 hanggang 53% sand, 20 hanggang 50% silt, and 5 hanggang 27% clay. Characteristics, physical feel, a balanced mixture that feels soft, smooth, and slightly gritty. When moist, it has a plastic-like quality. Behavior, dry state, forms a mold but can break with minimal force. Moist state, can be freely handled without breaking. Water retention and drainage, excellent water holding capacity and aeration, highly suitable for agriculture due to its balanced texture. Pangatlo, mga lupang loam. Komposisyon, 23 hanggang 53% buhangin, 20 hanggang 50% silt, at 5 hanggang 27% clay. Mga katangian, pisikal na pakiramdam, isang balanseng timpla na malambot, makinis, at bahagyang maasim. Kapag basa, mala-plastic ang kalidad nito. Pag-uugali, dry state, bumubuo ng amag ngunit maaaring masira sa kaunting puwersa. Moist state, maaaring malayang hawakan ng hindi nasira. Pagpapanatili ng tubig at pagpapatuyo, napakahusay na kapasidad sa paghawak ng tubig at pag-aeration, lubos na angkop para sa agrikultura dahil sa balanseng texture nito. Fourth, silt loam soils. Composition, 0 hanggang 5% sand, 50 hanggang 88% silt, and 0 hanggang 27% clay. Characteristics, physical feel, soft and floury when dry, with a powdery texture upon pulverization. Behavior, dry state, forms easily broken clods. Wet state, tends to compact or run together, especially under pressure. Moist state, forms casts that can be handled without breaking. Water retention and drainage, holds water effectively, but poor drainage can lead to waterlogging if not managed properly. Pang-apat, silt loam soils. Composition, 0 hanggang 5% buhangin, 50 hanggang 88% silt, at 0 hanggang 27% clay. Mga katangian, pisikal na pakiramdam, malambot at harina kapag tuyo, na may pulbos na texture kapag napulbos. Pag-uugali, dry state, nakakabuo ng madaling basag na bukol. Wet state, may posibilidad na magkadikit o tumakbo ng magkasama, lalo na sa ilalim ng presyon. Moist state, bumubuo ng mga cast na maaaring hawakan ng hindi nasira. Pagpapanatili ng tubig at pagpapatuyo, mabisang humahawak ng tubig, ngunit ang mahinang pagpapatapon ng tubig ay maaaring humantong sa waterlogging kung hindi mapangasiwaan ng maayos. Fifth, clay loam soils. Composition, approximately 20 hanggang 40% sand, 18 hanggang 52% silt, and 27 hanggang 40% clay. Characteristics, physical feel, feels sticky and plastic-like when moist, harden significantly when dry. Behavior, dry state, forms hard clods that are challenging to break apart. Moist, wet state, forms casts that withstand careful handling, become sticky and difficult to work with. Water retention and drainage, retains water well due to its high clay content but drains slowly, aeration is limited compared to sandy soils. Pang-5, clay loam soils. Komposisyon, humigit kumulang 20 hanggang 40% na buhangin, 18 hanggang 52% silt, at 27 hanggang 40% na luwad. Mga katangian, pisikal na pakiramdam, malagkit at parang plastic kapag basa, tumigas ng husto kapag tuyo. Pag-uugali, dry state, bumubuo ng matitigas na bukol na mahirap masira. Moist, wet state, bumubuo ng mga cast na makatiis ng maingat na paghawak, nagiging malagkit at mahirap katrabaho. Pagpapanatili ng tubig at pag-aalis ng tubig, pinapanatili ng maayos ang tubig dahil sa mataas na nilalaman ng luwad nito ngunit mabagal na umaagos, limitado ang aeration kumpara sa mabuhangin na lupa. These soil textures are important for determining soil management practices, irrigation needs, and the types of crops that can be grown effectively. Understanding these properties can help improve soil fertility and ensure sustainable agricultural practices. Ang mga texture ng lupa na ito ay mahalaga para sa pagtukoy ng mga kasanayan sa pamamahala ng lupa, mga pangangailangan sa patubig, at mga uri ng pananim na mabisang mapalago. Ang pag-unawa sa mga katangiang ito ay maaaring makatulong na mapabuti ang pagkamayabong ng lupa at matiyak ang napapanatiling mga kasanayan sa agrikultura.
I hope you found the lecture on agriculture and fishery arts insightful, and gained new knowledge. If you found value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. We welcome your feedback, questions, and suggestions, which you can leave in the comment section below. Thank you for tuning in to Teacher Lumaband's YouTube channel, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. May God bless you always.